The Agricultural Learning Center is a 75-acre facility. We have about 10 faculty-sponsored projects happening and about 20 undergrads working out here. The barn is really a central location for all of the students and faculty that are working at the Agricultural Learning Center. The primary use for the barn will be a wash and pack station for the UMass Student Farm program. Students who are enrolled in the UMass Student Farm program have the opportunity to do all the planning for a 21-acre certified organic vegetable farm. During the summer, they get to implement that plan, and during the fall, they come back and do all the harvesting and marketing and a season analysis for that farm.
It's really close to our fields, and it's going to make our production so much easier in the fall when we go out to the fields in the morning, pick the food, bring it down here, and just wash it and pack it and send it straight out.
This fall will be the first time that our students have the opportunity to use this new facility to wash and pack all of their vegetables for our various markets, including a CSA program, a farmer's market, and many wholesale accounts, including UMass Dining, Big Y Foods, and lots of student businesses on campus. So the barn is really giving us an opportunity to execute our plan that we've made, and with the appropriate skills that our students need to be the next generation of farmers.